Now, uh, question number 2. Seals help us to know about. Now, question number 1 again. Mention any two sources to reconstruct the Harappan civilization. Number 1. There are many sources to reconstruct the history of the Harappan civilization. Among these, the important sources are the remains of the two towns, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, reveal a remarkable sense of town planning hyphen the drainage system, the great bath, the assembly hall and other public buildings. Full stop. Now, question then 2. Number 2 source. Seals help us to know about the physical features, dress, ornaments, and religious beliefs of the people. Full stop. Now, question number 2. Mention the probable causes for the decline and disappearance, DISAPPEARANCE, disappearance of the Harappan civilization. Answer. There is no clear evidence regarding the reason for the decline of the Indus civilization. But the following are the probable reasons. Number 1, an earthquake. Number 2, floods. Number 3, a change in the course of the river. Number 4, an invasion. Number 4, an invasion. Now, my students, all of my students, you look at the board and write the question number 3. Mention any two important centers of the Indus Valley civilization. Mention any two important. Question number 3. Mention any two important all of my students, you write mention any two important centers. Question number 3. Question number 3. Mention any two important centers. Mention any two important So write question number 3. Mention any two important centers of the Indus Valley civilization. Of the of the Indus Valley civilization. Civilization. So the question is, mention any two important centers of the Indus Valley civilization. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. All of you write the answer. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. All of you write the answer. Mohenjo-daro located in the Mohenjo-daro located Mohenjo-daro located in the Mohenjo-daro located in the Larkana district of Sindh. In the Larkana district of Sindh. So the answer is Mohenjo-daro located in the Larkana district of Sindh. In the Larkana district of Sindh, now in Pakistan. In Sindh, district of Sindh, now in So answer is Mohenjo-daro located in the Larkana district of Sindh, now in Pakistan. Now, Chanhu-daro in Sindh, because in the question it is required you have to write two centers. Mention any two important centers. So one is Mohenjo-daro located in the Larkana district of Sindh, now in Pakistan. Now another is Chanhu-daro. Write Chanhu, Chanhu-daro. Chanhu-daro in Sindh. Chanhu-daro. So another center is Chanhu-daro in Sindh, Lothal in Gujarat, and after comma you write Lothal, Lothal, Lothal in Pakistan. Lothal in Pakistan. So answer is Mohenjo-daro located in Larkana district. Mohenjo-daro located in Larkana district of Sindh, now in Pakistan. So another name is Chanhudaro in Sindh, Lothal in Pakistan. So my students, the question is mention any two important centers of the Indus Valley civilization. Complete. Now question number 4. Question number 4. What are the two evidence? Question number 4 I am telling you now, then I will write in the board. That is, what are the two evidence which reveal the skill of the Indus people in town planning? What are the two evidence which reveal the skill of the Indus people in town planning? So write the question, my students. What are the what? So all of you write the question. What are the evidence? What are the evidences? What are the evidences? What are the evidences which reveal what are the evidences which reveal the skill of the Indus people in town planning? So what are the evidences which reveal the skill which reveal the skill of the what are the evidences which reveal the skill of the Indus people in town planning, in town planning. Any two. You have to mention any two. Now question is, what are the evidence which reveal the skill of the Indus people in town planning? My students, it is written clearly in your book, but now you write just the broad heading I am telling you. Number 1, you may write that, you write in your copy, you write that the first of all I am telling you, you write the ruins of the sites. All of you write the ruins of the sites reveal that the Harappan people were primarily urban and their cities were cities were designed, DESIGNED, were designed skillfully, SKILFULLY, skillfully. Now number 1, you have to write about the drainage system. All of my students, you write the drainage, DRAINAGE, the drainage system. It is written in your book, the drainage system. Then number 2, the great bath. the drainage system. Number two, the great bath. All of my students, you write number two, the great bath. Number two, the great bath. So number one, the drainage system. Number two, the great bath. Now, so you have to write number two, the great bath. All of my students, listen carefully. Very often separate questions come on the great bath. Describe the great bath. What was the speciality of the great bath? You have to write, read from the book. Next point is you may write the great granary. Number three is the great granary. The great granary. Next is the great granary. So, question is, what are the evidence which reveal reveal the skill of the